Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply the LanczosResample effect to a video in Flutter Android using the Media3 transformer. So let's get started. So here you can see in the demo or the output, I have one video playing. Now this video is from a network URL. So it is not stored on my local device. I'll click on this convert button and here you can see it has started the conversion. In the logs I am also printing how much conversion has happened. So the two which you see is the progress state, and the 14, 18, 22, 26 which you see is the actual progress of how much conversion has taken place. And here you can see this is the output. We have applied the LanczosResample effect to the original video. Also this video has been saved to external storage, so the user can use it wherever he feels like. There is one more button called open video picker without permission. So if I click on it, firstly you can see that this is the saved video we just saved. Now I will select the second video which is 15 seconds long, so we can apply. I'll just pause it because the audio is little annoying, but I can apply a video effect to a locally stored video as well as a video which is stored on a network URL as well. So same effect would be applied. Now this is what the LanczosResample effect is. Now what if I don't want to wait for the conversion to take place? So here you can see this is the output. Again I'll just pause it because the audio is a little bit noisy. And what if I want to apply the effect to the original video itself, like I don't want to wait for the conversion? I think we can do that. So you just have to uncomment this line. I will have to rerun my application again because this is native code, and I'm running it via Android Studio only because I wanted to show you all the logs inside Logcat. But if you want, you can run it via Flutter run as well. Also one more thing which I wanted to tell you is, if you see once the so firstly I'll show you guys this output. So here you can see the LanczosResample effect was applied to the original video itself. Okay, so this is fine. One more thing is the progress doesn't reach till 100 once you click on the convert button. There are few reasons for it. Firstly, the videos which I have taken are quite short videos. Second is I have added 500 milliseconds delay, and third is even though the progress doesn't reach till 100, you can see that the progress rate goes to 0. That's how you can determine the conversion has finished or not. Also there are two methods, on completed and on error as well. So with the help of that also you can recognize once the conversion has finished. So let's get started with the code. So firstly I have created a Flutter project. This is my Flutter project. Firstly inside main.dart I have just refactored this my homepage widget. So it is a stateful widget for now, and this is here I have taken a video URL. So this is the cat video, original cat video. Change it to whatever you feel like. Then I have just taken a method channel called video picker platform. I have taken a scaffold, safe area and column. Then I have taken one text button as well, and invoking that I just call this particular method pick video without permission. So once the user picks a video, we get the URL. I just append it to this particular variable, assign it and once we have the video URL not equal to null or empty, then we just display this custom widget called my video view. So for this I have created a Dart file. So here you can see it is a stateful widget which takes a video URL, and I am creating one key, and we want to update the widget every time we get a new URL. That's why we are overriding this particular method as well. For sending the video URL we use this creation params, and here you can see inside build I'm just checking if the platform is Android, then only display this Android view. Otherwise for other platform we don't really care. I'm just displaying a placeholder. Then open the Android folder inside Android Studio. I have already done that. Firstly you will have to go to this build.gradle, and here you will have to add these dependencies which is required for Media3 transformer as well as for playing video inside XO player. Then go to settings.gradle, and here I have added this updated this Kotlin version of to 1.9.20. then you will see a sync now button. Just click on it, it will download all the dependencies for you. Then just go to Android manifest. Here firstly I have added this internet permission, and for older Android devices, for saving file to external storage we require the read write external storage permission. For newer Android devices we don't require that. So this is only required once you click on the convert button. Now inside main activity, firstly these are all the imports. So here you can see These are all the imports. I have created a method channel result. For older Android device, we require the read write external storage permission, and here we are using this register for activity result, which gets called once the user either gives or denies the permission. If he gives the permission, then only we call the launch new video picker. Again, the video picker does not require any permission, so you can refactor the code if you are not using the convert button. And in case if permission is not given, I just display a toast message. So here you can see for picking video, we are picking visual media by videos only. Once we have the URI, we send it back to Flutter side. Then we override the configure Flutter engine method. We just register our native view. Okay, and here we create our method channel. So once this method is called, we just check what version of Android the user is running on, and then appropriately call the right method. Then you have to create this particular my video view factory. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native Android view inside your Flutter app. So just copy paste it. But here we are creating one more Kotlin file called my video view. So here you can see that I have created one more Kotlin file called my video view. So I'll just scroll up. Now this has a lot of imports, so you can just copy paste the import. There are some dead imports as well, which you can ignore. We don't really need all these dead imports. Okay, so simply add all these imports which I have. Okay, we are marking it as unstable because at the time of me recording, Media3 is still bit unstable, that's why. Then we are extending transformer.listener so that we get the on completed on error callback, and lifecycle owner because we want to make use of Kotlin coroutines. That's why we have to write this particular boilerplate code. This handler and progress holder are for tracking the progress of how much conversion has happened. Then linear layout is our parent layout. I have taken 2 exo players, 2 player views, 1 button, 1 progress bar as well. And this is our file name variable. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. This is our transformer, this is our file path. Then this is our video URL, and this is an array list of effect, but we are only adding one effect. So here you can see I have added this LanczosResample effect. Then this thing is the layout params for our linear layout. Here we are initializing our input player view and adding it to our linear layout. Then this is our button, and I have added a click listener to button as well called setup transformer. This is our output player view, which is similar to input player view, only thing is it is invisible at the very start. Then I have created progress bar as well and added to our linear layout. Here we get our video URL. Then firstly we release our player, so in case if our input player is already playing some video, we want to release it and then play the new video. Then we initialize our input player. So this is how we initialize our input player. If you don't want to apply effect to the original video, just comment this out. Here we initialize our output player. Here we release our player. Then here we get view, so override this and return our linear layout. Here we dispose and release our player. Here we call setup transformer, so we just release our output player called transform video method. So first display progress bar, initialize our transformer, create our input media item. Then inside edited media item we pass our effect. Here we create our external file. Here we start our transformation, and here you can see this is the progress state and this is the actual progress, and here I have added our 500 milliseconds delay. This is how we create our external file. Now even I have copy pasted this code from Stack Overflow. You can do the same thing, and this is the code for saving file to external storage. Again same, copy pasted it from Stack Overflow, so you can do the same thing. Then here we are overriding on completed, so we are displaying our output player, initializing it, saving file to external storage, hiding our progress bar, and inside on error we hide our output player, progress bar, and just display a toast message. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.